Back at 6:18, if you haven't signed up for health care through the Affordable Care Act, you're running out of time. The deadline to enroll in 2015 coverage is Sunday. If you still have questions, Cherry Health is making sure you get all of the answers this weekend. You still have a chance. This morning, we're joined in studio by Michelle Fitzgerald, a lead navigator for healthcare enrollment at Cherry Health. Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So this can be a very confusing journey for a lot of people. Tell us what you're finding when people come for help.
It can be really confusing, and fortunately this year things are going a lot more smoothly. We actually have already enrolled more people in health insurance in Michigan and in the country than we did last year.
Nice.
A lot of the questions that we get are, does this income count? How do I have to deal with my household situation? Do I claim my kids? Do I include them? Do I have to insure my children? They already have Medicaid, maybe something like that. So we get a lot of different questions, and we're kind of there to walk you through the entire process.
Wow, that's exactly, I think, what some people are looking for, because it can be quite overwhelming. So talk about the event that you are doing with River City Scholars.
Yeah, so Sunday, which is the last day, we'll be in the computer lab. It's an 80 computer lab, so lots of room for folks to come on in, and we will be joined by assisters from other agencies, so Cherry Health, Catherine's Health Center, Mercy Health, Goodwill, a lot of different organizations. They'll all be there to help through the entire process. Maybe you just have a couple quick questions. Maybe you've never done this before and you're starting from ground zero. So no matter where you are, we're there to help you through.
Do you need to make an appointment, or can you just show up?
Nope, just show up. We do recommend maybe coming at the beginning. The event starts at 1 o'clock. We'll be there until 5, just to make sure we can get all the way through the process with you.
How long does the process take if you have an idea, or how long does the process take if you have no idea what you're doing?
Yeah, now if you have never started, have no idea what's going on, it'll probably take you at least an hour to get through the whole process. Especially if you do have several members of your family that you're looking for insurance for. If you've started and you're partway through, maybe you just have a couple questions, maybe 30, 45 minutes. If you just have just have to pick the plan, maybe 15, so.
Do you find that people are surprised with the coverage they can get when they find out exactly what their options are?
Yeah, and I think that there are still a lot of misconceptions about, kind of how the tax credits work and what that does to the insurance that you can purchase. So we do see a lot of people who are surprised by the results that they get and what they can qualify for. The prices that they're seeing. So, definitely it's worth a try. Just because your neighbor got one result doesn't mean that's going to be, your result. So find out for yourself what you can qualify for.
It's certainly not one plan fits all.
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay, so 1 to 5 at River City Scholars on Sunday, helping people get signed up.
Absolutely.
Michelle, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Brett?